Raising a child is not easy, but children are a blessing and a gift from God. Hi, my beautiful friends. I'm Daniela, the vegan mom, and today I want to talk to you about what are we teaching our children. But before we start, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with all your friends so we can spread this very important information to as many people as possible. I found this great poem that I want to read to you. It's called Molding. I took a piece of common clay and idly fashioned it one day, and as my fingers pressed it still, it moved and yielded at my will. I came again when days were past. The bit of clay was hard at last. The form I gave it still it bore, but I could change that form no more. I took a piece of living clay and gently formed it day by day, and molded with my power and art a young child's soft and yielded heart. I came again when days were gone. It was a man I looked upon. He still that early impress bore, and I could change it nevermore. What a stewardship we have been given by God to form and shape the children He has given us. The Bible tells us in Proverbs 22:6, "Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it." We have the choice whether we teach our children to be loving and kind and respectful toward all others, including the animals, or will we teach them to be selfish and cruel and insensitive toward all others, including the animals. The work we do as mothers, housewives, teachers, caregivers seems mundane and unimportant, but it is actually eternal work. More is caught than taught, and we as parents, teachers, and adults should be a good example to our children and make honorable choices. So, what will it be for you? Will you teach your child to eat the rotting dead flesh of animals and thus perpetuate the unimaginable cruelty toward animals? Or will you teach your child to love and protect animals and live the life-giving, healthy, and ethical vegan lifestyle? The choice is yours. And if you need more personal guidance and support, I'm here for you. Contact me through my website, which is www.vegan-mom.com. Make an appointment with me and let's chat. Bye for now. See you all in the next video. Mwah.